Yeah, welcome to my channel. God bless you for visiting my channel. Guys, to everything, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn on how to make money with Facebook. We're going to learn how to make money with Facebook. 13 ways you can make money with Facebook. That's what we're going to learn today. You're welcome to the channel. If you are just watching this video for the, visiting the channel for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to the channel using the red button below. If you have any question, don't forget to use the comment box below to also make your question, ask your questions. Click the red button below and subscribe to the channel, because you're going to learn a lot from this channel. Guys, to everything. Today we're going to learn how you can make money, how you can maximize the use of Facebook. Some people are there on Facebook for the fun of it, but I'm telling you this day that you can make money, with Facebook. So we're going to learn 13 ways you can make money on Facebook. You can sell on Facebook. There's something you cannot sell on Facebook, like for those you cannot sell on Facebook are alcohol, drugs, tobacco, firearms, animals, gambling, and some certain healthcare products. These are things you cannot sell on Facebook. You cannot sell alcohol on Facebook. Illicit drugs, you cannot sell them on Facebook. Tobacco, you cannot sell them on Facebook. Firearms, you cannot sell them on Facebook. Animals, you cannot sell them on Facebook. And some gambling, you cannot do that on Facebook. And some health products, cannot sell them on Facebook. So now we're going to go straight now to how you can make money with Facebook. To make money with Facebook, the first one there is, it says write a Facebook post. So almost everybody in the world today have a Facebook account. So if you want to make money on Facebook or with Facebook, all you have to do is start writing posts, on Facebook. Let people begin to see your post. Let them begin to like your post. Let them begin to share your post. Let them begin to like and accept your post. As you are, posting regularly, you have friends, adding you as friends. You also add some people as friends. And so have many people now coming to your profile to come and see your post. Interesting posts for that matter. And some of them now, as they're enjoying your post, you can start sharing some information with them. About things you do, about things you can sell to them. You can sell to them. You can become affiliates. Like if you're in Nigeria, you can become Juma affiliate. You can also become Konga affiliates. So once you're affiliate of some of these, e-commerce sites, if you're affiliate of Jumia, if you're affiliate of Konga, you can also, as you're making your post, you can also get your link from affiliate links from your e-commerce website like Jumia and Konga, and post it on the Facebook post. And some of your followers might start clicking on those posts, and they'll be buying items on any of these e-commerce websites, and you'll be making some profit from the commission that's being given to you for referring those buyers to their websites. So number one is that you can start writing a Facebook post and you can make money through that. Another one again is you have to kind of join a local buys and sell. If you go to Facebook now, just go to groups. Click on groups. You can see a lot of groups that are in your locality. So you can join any of them, buy and sell. You can see some now. If you're in Nigeria, you can see buy and sell Lagos, buy and sell USA, buy and sell UK, and others. So all those groups there, they are free to join. You're not paying any money to join them. So some of them have even about 1 million members. Some of them have about 500,000 members and all that. So the more members they have, the more possibility of you now making profit from those groups. So join any of them that are profitable, and as you join them and start posting your products on those buy and sell groups, people will start ordering your product. It could be old books you are selling. It could be a product from the affiliate website that you are selling. Whatever you are selling, just post it on those groups, and follow terms and conditions specified by the owner or the owner of that group. And as you are doing so, you are selling products, in Facebook, and you're making your money. So join local buys and sell groups. These are one of the ways you can also make money on Facebook. So next one again is you can sell on Facebook Marketplace. On Facebook, there's what they call Facebook Marketplace. You can go there, So the marketplace is free for all features where you can buy and sell. So you can also sell on Facebook Marketplace. Go to Facebook, you can see Facebook Marketplace. You can go there and do what? And sell on Facebook. So some people are just Facebook, they're playing and chatting the whole day without making any impact. But on Facebook, You can do a lot of things. You can sell on Facebook Marketplace and you make money. Next one now is earn refer a friend bonuses. So there are companies that will say, okay, refer a friend and you get a bonus. Like some of these forest, trading companies, you can refer a friend to any of them, and they will be giving you commission for referring somebody to open an account. You can also have some affiliate sites where you can also refer a friend to join, just give their email or phone number or whatever. They pay you for referring a friend. So instead of you now having friends, you have plenty of friends on Facebook, you make maximum use of those friends by referring them to some companies, and bonuses will be given to you for referring them. So that's another way you can make money using Facebook. So other ways you can make money is entering a contest. Like a company they call Amazon, they organize contest on Facebook. So you can also make money with such contests. Another one again is you create Facebook ads. You can have a product you want to sell, because for you to sell that product very, very fast, it could be maybe you wrote a book, on how to cure malaria. It could be an ebook you wrote, and you want people to buy them. You can create a Facebook ads page, and use that Facebook ads to generate sales for your ebook. So it's another way you can quickly harness the power of Facebook to generate income, to make money using Facebook. So you can create an ebook, on any topic, and use Facebook ads. Facebook ads means that you use it's a marketing tool on Facebook that can use to make people now to quickly buy your products. By everybody now will be getting the advert showing them what you are selling, and they can quickly buy. So and you make money, out of it quickly as possible. Huge money from it. If you are, for example, that you have an ebook on how to cure malaria naturally, and you do a Facebook advertising, or marketing, you do it, and in the whole world, you are saying the ebook is for $1, for example, and you have the whole people using Facebook that there are almost 3 billion people on Facebook using Facebook, using Facebook. There was 3 billion people using Facebook. Out of the 3 billion using Facebook, and what you are selling is ebook. It's talking about how to cure malaria naturally, and the ebook now is for $1. You have about how many? Let's say you have about 5 million people buying that ebook. Times it now by $1, which is about $5 million that you have sold your ebook, and probably you spend about just $1,000 for the ads marketing. So out of $1,000, you're making 5 million, for your ebook. You can see how profitable it is now to use Facebook ads to make your money. So you can use this tool to make serious money for yourself. Another way, you can make money is investing in Facebook. Facebook is listed on US stock exchange, US stock exchange. You listed there, so you can buy the stock, and as the stock is appreciating, you are enjoying the appreciation, the price appreciation. They also pay dividend. You're also enjoying the dividend. At times they will do bonuses. You enjoy the bonuses. So you can invest in Facebook. You can say, how do I invest in Facebook? I'm in Nigeria. I'm in Ghana. I'm in Cote d'Ivoire. I'm in Kenya. How do I invest in Facebook? Yes, you can invest in Facebook wherever you are. If you go online, there's a company. I'm not advertising for them. It's a company called wet.ng. Wet.ng. You can go to what and create an account on wet.ng, and you can invest in dollar, you can invest in naira, and you can also invest in Facebook stock over there, and you'll be getting your return on your investment, from Facebook. So Facebook it has a whole component, full of opportunities where you can make serious money and enjoy yourself. So that's how you can invest in Facebook. Next one now, number 8, is telling us now how to host a fundraiser. You can host a fundraiser. We call it a crowdfunding, where you can get people now to do what to pay into your account for one thing or the other. It could be for emergency, personal emergency. It could be you can tell your friends. If you have good friends, tell them, okay, emergency, I have so need. I want to pay my school fees. I don't have money, so they can pay money, through that particular crowdfunding into your account, and you're able to make money from it. You can also through health. Maybe you're not feeling fine, or your parents or whoever is close to you is not feeling fine. You can also use that same method to raise capital for yourself. You can also use it, for your feet. You know, you're a Muslim, you're a Christian, you can also use that to generate fund for your faith, to support the work of God. So you can use that also to generate money. Third, well, okay, fine. There's a project going on in your church, on your mosque. You want them to you want to build a house of God and all that. People who are your friends on Facebook and can also assist you in that regard by contributing through the crowdfunding to fund your project, to enable you to execute your project. And that's another good thing about Facebook. You have friends there. Tell them, oh, friends, this is what I want to do. Here, if you are supporting my vision or my project, please pay into this account. And Facebook now will give you opportunity for you to do what? To set up an account on Facebook where all this cash, all this money can also go into, and can withdraw and use it to do whatever project you want to do. So you can post a fundraiser using Facebook. Number 9, you can apply for job using also Facebook. Facebook now have you have interfaces now talking about job vacancies, where job tabs where you can click and talk about job, where you can also help you out to get job. So if you are looking for a job, you can also maximize the use of Facebook to look for job, apply for job, using the Facebook job button, and God being on your side, you will get a job for yourself. Number 10, talking about becoming a social media manager. Some companies are making money through such social media manager. If you are a social media manager, or you can become a social media manager, helping companies to do auto posting, auto scheduling social posts, where the post can be going, different on Facebook, different directions and all that. So if you are also somebody who knows how to go about that, you can also secure a job and become a social media manager, where you can also build authority in the area of your professionalism. So building the audience side, monitoring campaign metrics, creating social media graphics and all that. So you can help someone to become a social media manager. You can also be able to manage the media, all the social media like Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest and all that, for you now to be able to get audience that will always come to do what, to your Facebook accounts or Facebook whatever. So number 11, now after join the Facebook groups and others. Like I said before, you cannot join Facebook groups. Look for the ones that have plenty members. You can join Facebook groups, those ones that have good and good members that are in buying mode, that are ready to buy things. Once you join them and you are selling any product, you'll be amazed at which your products are being purchased on Facebook groups. So this is the 11th way you can make money using Facebook. Another way you can make money using Facebook is also to use to create Facebook live videos. If you look at Facebook, you see some interesting videos flying up and down. So if your video is properly created and it's genuine video, and you follow the terms and conditions, spelled out by Facebook, you could see your video can start generating revenue for you. So as you create those videos, those comedy videos, you'll be surprised that adverts from Facebook will be put on them, and those adverts will generate revenue for you who created the videos and all that. So you can create videos on Facebook and it will generate revenue for you. So you can stream them live. You can also post them on Facebook, and it should be making money for you. The last one I said, look for critical security flaws. You can look for areas of security flaws on Facebook and address them. You can also you can also reach out to people and help them to set up their Facebook accounts, to make sure that it's safeguarded and all that. These are the 13 ways. I believe if you know any of those ways, you will be able to make serious money from the Facebook. I believe you have enjoyed watching this video. This on guides to everything. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, don't forget to use the comment box below to ask your questions. If you also you can also watch this video from the beginning to the end, do not forget to subscribe to the channel using the red button below for more videos on how you can make money online, especially in Nigeria. Thanks for watching our video. We believe this video has made impact in you. Just subscribe to the channel and make your comments, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching our video. God bless you. See you in our next video. Thanks. Bye.